Hi friends, today we are making a Thai-style viral microwave sausage yum salad, warm savory sausage tossed with lime, fish sauce, chilies, crisp vegetables, herbs, and peanuts. It is fast, punchy, and perfect when you want big Thai flavor without turning on the stove. This recipe makes 2 servings and takes 15 minutes. First, let us walk through the ingredients. 8 ounces fully cooked Thai-style smoked sausage. Bring the bouncy, savory bite that makes this feel like a viral snack plate. Choose sausage that is already fully cooked, because the microwave step is for heating and blooming the flavor. 1/2 cup water helps steam the sausage quickly in the microwave so it heats evenly without drying out. We will drain it off before tossing the salad. 3 tablespoons fresh lime juice. Give the dressing its sharp Thai-style brightness. Fresh juice keeps the salad lively and clean. 1 1/2 tablespoons fish sauce. Add the salty, savory backbone. This is what makes the dressing taste unmistakably Thai. 2 teaspoons palm sugar. Soften the lime and fish sauce just enough. It should balance the dressing, not make it taste like dessert. 2 Thai bird chilies. Bring real heat and a fresh chili aroma. Slice them thinly so the spice spreads through every bite. 1 small shallot gives the salad a crisp purple bite. Thin slices soften quickly in the lime dressing. 1/2 cup thinly sliced cucumber adds cool crunch against the warm sausage. Keep the slices thin so they toss easily. 1/2 cup halved cherry tomatoes. Bring sweetness and juiciness. They catch the dressing beautifully. 1/4 cup chopped Chinese celery gives the salad a fresh herbal finish. Use tender stems and leaves for the best texture. 2 tablespoons roasted peanuts add the crunchy finish. They go on at the end so they stay crisp. Start the preparation by slicing 8 ounces fully cooked Thai-style smoked sausage on a diagonal into bite-sized coins. Cutting on the diagonal gives each piece more surface area for the dressing. Now move the sliced sausage into the clear microwave-safe bowl and pour in 1/2 cup water. Spread the pieces out so the steam can reach them evenly. Cover the bowl loosely and microwave on high power for 90 seconds, until the sausage is steaming hot. Let it stand for 1 minute so the heat settles through the pieces. After the sausage has rested, carefully drain off the hot water. Transfer the steaming sausage coins into the larger white mixing bowl, because this is where the yum salad comes together. For the dressing, add 3 tablespoons fresh lime juice to the small glass dressing bowl. This bright acidity is the first layer of flavor. Stir in 1 1/2 tablespoons fish sauce and 2 teaspoons palm sugar. Mix until the palm sugar dissolves and the dressing looks clear and glossy. Now add 2 thinly sliced Thai bird chilies to the dressing. Give it a quick stir so the chili oils start flavoring the sauce. Add 1 small thinly sliced shallot to the same dressing and let it sit for 2 minutes. That short soak takes off the raw edge while keeping the shallot crisp. While the shallot softens, add 1/2 cup thinly sliced cucumber to the warm sausage in the mixing bowl. The cucumber will cool the sausage slightly and add crunch. Add 1/2 cup halved cherry tomatoes to the bowl. Their juices will mingle with the warm sausage and the lime dressing in the next toss. Add 1/4 cup chopped Chinese celery leaves and tender stems. This brings that fresh herbal note that makes the salad taste bright instead of heavy. Pour all of the chili, shallot, lime, fish sauce, and palm sugar dressing over the sausage and vegetables. Make sure the shallots slide in too, because they are full of flavor now. Toss everything for 30 seconds, lifting from the bottom so the warm sausage, crisp vegetables, and sharp dressing are evenly coated. The salad should look glossy and juicy. Microwave the tossed salad uncovered on high power for 30 seconds. This quick final burst warms the dressing and sausage without cooking the cucumber and tomatoes too much. Bring the bowl back to the counter, add 2 tablespoons roasted peanuts, and toss just a few times. The peanuts go in after the microwave so they stay crunchy. To finish, spoon the warm Thai sausage yum salad onto the oval white platter, letting a little dressing gather around the edges. The microwave cooking is done, and the salad is ready to serve right away. And there it is, a fast Thai-style microwave sausage yam salad that delivers the bright, spicy, tangy payoff we promised at the start. Serve it right away while the sausage is warm and the vegetables are still crisp. If you enjoyed this quick microwave recipe, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell for more easy recipes.